On your website, uh, you may have several different pages. One is the order online page, and then optional is the menu page. Remember, the menu page is either a PDF menu or a menu that's built into your website. When it's built into your website, that means you have to make the changes from your website. If it's a PDF menu, then you just upload the PDF. Okay, but in this case, this menu here, when I click on it, you can see it's built into the website, right? Because it's over here, right? It's not a PDF. PDF is the one you click on it and then you can print it out or take it home or send it to people. But this is not a PDF. This is actual menu inside the website. This one here, order online page, this one's also built into the website. But the main difference between this one and this one is this menu comes from the Clover POS. Okay. So for example, if you want to change the price on this one, you have to change it on the Clover POS. If you want to change the item name, you have to change it on the Clover POS. While this one, if you want to change it, you change it on the website, okay, not on the Clover POS. So let me show you what I mean by that. So if you want to make changes to this menu here, you have to do it from the back end. So how do you do that? You go to the back end of the WordPress dashboard, you press pages, all pages, okay, right here. And then what you do now is you find the menu page right here, right? But we're going to go one step further than that because we don't want to change the actual page. So for example, let's say I want to change the layout of the page. For example, I right here I have it say discover our menu, right? And let's say I want to change that text here. So I kind of correspond this section to that. And I click on it. It says discover our menu. I can change that from here. And once I change it, I press accept and update. Let's say I want to change something at the bottom, right? So, but you won't be making the changes here, but I'm just showing you what the menu page, how it's structured. You can also change on the front end, okay? If you click on this, you can actually make the change on the front end, but we won't be doing that either. But I want to show you what it looks like. See how it says tabs here? Let me give it a better name actually, because tabs is a good name, but let's just say menu tabs. Okay, that way, in case in the future you come here, you'll know what it's called. We'll call it menu tabs, okay? So what is menu tabs? This is all of the items in your, so you can correspond it from here. See how it says from the grill, specialties, wraps. See how it corresponds to that? That's what that means, okay? Those are all the different ones. But we're not gonna change that. We're actually gonna change it from somewhere else. So the way to change your menu is from here, right here. It says menu, restaurant menu, okay? So you press all menus, okay? So just go straight to here. So we're gonna find from the grill, right? From the grill. So the reason why I showed you that is because this short code right here corresponds to that section here. This short code tells it where it should be on the website. So if I copy and paste this somewhere else on the website, this from the grill will appear. But I don't want to complicate things too much. I will talk about just changing the prices. So from the grill, press edit. So what are we doing again? We're going to from the grill right here, and we're going to edit the price. So see how I press edit? Now when you press edit, you'll see a white screen, but remember that you have to scroll down. So make sure you scroll down. Now that you scroll down, you'll see all the prices and the items, okay? So how do you make changes from here? You have to press this pencil right here, okay? Press the pencil, and then the price is right here. So let's say this is $14.99. Press 14, and then press save, okay? But right now I'm not gonna change it because I don't know what the new price is. I'm gonna just press cancel, okay? But let's say you want to change the image for this one, right? You can change it. Just press the pencil, and then put your mouse right here. You can change the image, okay? You can just press the X and change the image. Let's say this has a different name. You can change the name. But again, everything is done from here. Once you make all those changes, just press update. Let's say you have a new item that's on this from the grill. Press new menu item, okay, right here, and it'll add it for you. That way you can have another one. Let's say you want beef kofta plate at the top. Press it right here and move it up, okay? You can move it up and down. Again, once you do that, press update right here, okay? That way you can do. This is from the grill, okay? Let's say you want to do the other one. Go back to all menus right here. See it? And then press suites and then press edit. Once you press edit, now you can change this one, which is all the suites. Let's say you have more suites now. How do you make another one? You press new menu item right here. Okay, and you can do that. All right. So that's how you change your menu that appears on your website. Okay, not PDF menu, your main menu, the one that some websites like this one has it. Okay, some websites don't have it, some do. Since you do have it, and that's how you change it. If you want to change your prices on here, what do? You go to clover.com from your computer or from the station, change all the prices. Once you finish changing it, press this button here, press Clover Order Settings, and then sync it to your website. Let me show you what I mean by syncing to the website. You press this button right here, sync, and then you press update order types, update modifiers, update categories, update all items. If you change your taxes too, just update taxes too. Again, it doesn't hurt to update them because you're just making sure everything matches up with the Clover inventory app. And let's say you deleted lots of items from the Clover POS and it's still showing on the website. What do then? You do a clean inventory. This one takes a little bit longer, so I won't do this one. But if you did remove stuff, do a clean inventory. So you press next and you press start, next, start, next, start. You know, you just, for example, let me just clean all the tax rates. So make sure it says cleaned before you go to the next one. Okay, so if I clean the modifier groups, I have to wait till it finishes. See how it's still working on it? See, 10 of them is checked. How many do you have? You have 17. So 16 of them were cleaned. Okay, so if there's nothing to be cleaned, it won't clean it. But if there is, it will show it to you. All right, that's how you change your menu prices, how you do a sync, and how to navigate the back end of your website. All right, thank you so much.